Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates on BabyDoge coin, recent market movements, and our BabyDoge coin price prediction for 2025. There's a lot happening, from Binance activity to major burning news, so make sure you watch till the end. First, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. Bitcoin is trading around $88,000, and Ethereum is holding steady near $1,500. Most major coins are showing green candles, signaling a strong recovery. The total crypto market cap is around $2.75 trillion, with a 0.21% increase in the last 24 hours. Great news for all holders. Now, here's something big from India. The government has imposed a 12% tariff on steel imports from China, aiming to limit cheap imports. This could indirectly affect various sectors, including crypto mining equipment costs in the region. Now let's talk about BabyDoge coin. One of the biggest concerns from the community is the lack of recent token burns. Burning is crucial to reduce supply and push prices higher. The community is actively calling for more burns to help support future price growth. The BabyDoge team recently shared a creative image of their own version of a baby dollar note. It's all part of their push for more visibility. Plus, Elon Musk's Twitter activity in India is trending, which could help drive more attention to meme coins like BabyDoge. There's also exciting news from Binance. While BabyDoge isn't listed just yet, Binance recently shared a BabyDoge tweet, which shows the coin is on their radar. Additionally, Binance is set to list Zora token and is actively working on spotlighting new projects. This kind of activity builds hope for future meme coin listings too. So what's next for BabyDoge coin in 2025? If the team initiates consistent burns, continues growing its community, and manages to get listed on a major exchange like Binance, BabyDoge could realistically reach 0.01 to 0.0003 by 2025. That may sound small, but for early investors, it could mean massive returns. So that's the latest on BabyDoge coin. Are you holding BabyDoge? Do you think a Binance listing is coming soon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest crypto updates.